What's up, everybody? Back again with another episode of Sneaker Sundays with your boy Kemmy. This week's a very special week. We'll be doing a pair of Nike Air Force Ones. So I'll be showing you how to take apart the sole of a pair of Nike Air Force Ones. This is one of the first steps you need in order to make a pair of shoes. So those of you interested in learning how to make a pair of Air Force Ones in your house, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be putting out a few tutorials next week. Well, you can purchase them if you want to make a pair of Air Force Ones. So stay tuned, check it out. The first step is to remove the insole of the shoe. So you must remove the white thread running all around the Nike Air Force One. This holds the shoe together. So you have to remove this thread piece by piece, untangling it from the inside. Continue removing the thread from the outside of the shoe. So you must rub the alcohol along the edge of the midsole in order to remove it. It loosens the glue. you guys for watching another episode of Sneaker Sundays with your boy Kemmy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a lot about taking off the sole of a Nike Air Force 1. I've been getting lots of comments, lots of feedback about how to make a pair of Nike Air Force 1s. So what I'm going to do is release a tutorial the next 2-3 weeks, and I'll show you how to get it done. It'll be available for purchase on my website. So stay tuned. I'll see you next week.